Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add logo to Wix website. To start this tutorial, open manage.wix.com in your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac, depending on your preference. Once you are in manage.wix.com, hover your cursor to the left side. In here, you will need to scroll down and then look for Sales Channels or Settings. Actually, open Settings. Once you do that, the next step right now is to go ahead and then look for Business Info. Once you find Business Info, all you have to do this time is to click on it. Now wait for the website to finish loading. Once you're here, you will now have the option to add a logo to your business information. All you have to do this time is to click on the button that says Add Logo. Just click on it. Once you're here, the website will load once again, but then all you have to do is wait for it. Once everything has loaded, you can now upload media or use your default photos that you have already used in Wix. Then just click on Choose File. And then as you can see, you can already find your new logo photo uploaded in the logo of your business info. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.